In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Seora skincare review to see if their viral brightening solutions actually live up to the hype. When we look at the brand's flagship alpha-arbutin and tranexamic acid cream, it is clear they are positioning themselves as a high-potency alternative to standard drugstore brightening serums. The biggest contrast here is the concentration of active ingredients. While many competitors keep their percentages low to avoid irritation, Seora leans into a powerful 7% arbutin and 4% tranexamic acid formula. This is a significant trade-off to consider. On one hand, you are getting dermatologist-formulated strength designed to target stubborn discoloration and uneven skin tone in as little as 2 to 4 weeks. On the other hand, such high percentages mean you must prioritize skin barrier health. A standout feature of the brand is its accessibility and confidence in the formula, offering a 30-day money-back guarantee and a high customer rating of 4.8 stars from over 10,000 users. Currently, the brand is running a massive summer sale with buy one get one free deals, dropping prices significantly from their standard $160 retail point. This makes it an aggressive competitor against luxury Korean skincare brands. If you are looking for fast results and a real glow, this potent combination of actives wins for effectiveness. For those with extremely sensitive skin, however, the intensity might be a point of caution. Overall, Seora offers a premium, high-concentrate experience at a currently discounted price. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have tried these actives before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare breakdowns.